I welcome you to watching an instruction review video where my Transformers reviews and instruction videos all combined. So now I'll be able to speak freely also as of you watching me transforming the figurines. The sound of this music, let's get to it.
Transformers.
Transformers Combiner Wars Deluxe Aerobot Air Raid. Air Raid's main vehicle mode is a jet fighter, an F-14 Tomcat. For the main plastic colors, it's quite hard to decide really. For the jet mode, it's in black. For robot mode, the white is revealed. I had to count the black plastic pieces in the white to confirm the actual plastic color. Air Raid's main plastic color is white. Other solid plastics that is with the figure is red and black. Paint detailing that is also on the figure: red, white, metallic blue, metallic gold, black, and silver. For Air Raid's transformation, I find the transformation to be easy. In my skill rating, 5 out of 5. The figure's posability. I find the posability to be decent. A little bit lacking, but not terrible. For the figure's features, like I've said for other past reviews of the Combiner War figures, for the instruction reviews, all Deluxes and Voyagers and several of the Legends are able to have more than 2 modes. For Air Raid, it's able to convert in multiple modes, kind of like a multi-changer. One is an arm mode, the other is the leg. Type of accessories. Air Raid comes with 2. One, a blaster, and the other, a double changing accessory. One that can change to become a hand, and the other the foot. Make sure to check out my instruction review photo gallery underneath my Google Plus page. Also, the playlist description below. Stay tuned for more.